Are you finding yourself lost in the vortex of SEO? If so, stick around because in this video, we're going to walk you through what you need to know to get out of the maze and fast track your process to leveraging SEO marketing in your online business. Hi, my name is Soph. I'm an online SEO consultant, a SaaS agency business owner, and an online business mentor who has been in online business since 2015. I grew my original brands organically through social media, but quickly found that social media was not the way to go. Since then, I've spent the last 3 to 5 years building my brand through Google and no longer post or rely on social media marketing to grow my business. And in today's video, what I want to address are 3 core points. Number 1, the complexity of SEO and how to simplify this to make it easy to understand. Number 2, the top SEO strategies that other SEO coaches are using to start ranking faster on Google. And number 3 are a few tips and tricks to help you on your learning journey. Now be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss a beat. Every week we drop new content helping you understand the complexity of SEO and build your business beyond the feed. All right, let's dive in. So how do we simplify what SEO actually is? The best way to think about this is that SEO and our search engine optimization is a way in which users find information that they're looking for. Now we have a whole video linked here that goes into the difference between SEO marketing and social media marketing, so please be sure to check that out if you want to understand the pros and cons of each. But in this video, what I want to help you understand is how you can actually simplify what SEO is for you so that you can stop getting lost in all of the noise. Depending on what your business or brand is, different SEO components may or may not apply. So the first way to ensure that you're not getting lost in all of the noise that is SEO marketing is to learn about SEO through the lens of your specific business and our industry. On this channel, we focus predominantly on SEO for coaches, consultants, health and wellness professionals, and other mental health service providers. If you are not within this category, this content may still be relevant, but I would recommend also looking after other opportunities with coaches or consultants who teach SEO through the lens of your specific industry. The reason being is that depending on the industry that you're in, different SEO strategies may or may not apply. When we're looking at the form of SEO for online business owners, such as coaches, consultants, or health and wellness practitioners, what we're looking at here is how we can help you and your business be found by clients on Google. Now, we talked about Google being an inbound marketing strategy, which essentially means that people are coming to you instead of you trying to create content to be found by them. The simplest and easy way to understand SEO is like it is a giant library where users come in and they're trying to find information relevant to what they are wanting or needing. When somebody comes over to Google, they're asking Google to provide information relevant to their questions and our inquiries about what they want to learn about or find. A great example of this is somebody going onto Google and looking for an SEO coach or consultant. And what Google does is it looks through the entire library that is Google, which covers the entire international web. And it finds the most relevant content that applies to the question or query that the searcher is looking for, and then presents the most relevant content to that user to choose from. Your goal with SEO is to be one of those options, is to be the person that Google is recommending to users who are looking for content related to your business or your niche. The benefits of doing this have been outlined in previous videos, so now that you have a basic understanding of what SEO is, let's talk about what are some of the top ways SEO consultants, agencies, or coaches approach SEO marketing. The biggest thing that SEO coaches and consultants look at is understanding data. When you're building an SEO-based business, there is nothing that we do by impulse. Everything is meticulously researched and intentionally curated to help support your ability to rank on the first page of Google. So instead of trying to guess and throw out random content, the best way that you can support yourself is by taking the time to do the proper market research, competitive analysis, and keyword research to figure out what kind of content you want to rank for and to develop a strategy that you know is going to work. Unlike social media, with SEO marketing, marketing, you don't have to guess or wonder if what you're creating is going to rank and to know how many people are actually going to see it. Every single keyword on Google is easy to track and see the metrics for. One of the biggest ways that SEO coaches, consultants, and agencies leverage their ability to grow fast on Google is by knowing how to read the data behind what it is that they're searching for. Ideally, SEO coaches, consultants, and agencies are targeting keywords that are easy to rank for yet relevant to the topic of the business. And so they know how to find the keywords that they want to create content for and optimize the on-page and off-page SEO to help that content rank faster. So what are a few tips and tricks to help fast track your learning of SEO marketing? The first thing that I would recommend doing is hitting subscribe to this channel, where we'll be dropping weekly content to help you understand the complexities of what SEO actually is and how to leverage it for your online coaching or consulting business. The second tip that we would recommend is, again, finding an SEO coach or consultant or agency who can help explain SEO through the lens of what your business or industry is. The reason behind doing this is that it will cut out all of the noise of the additional information that may not be relevant to who you are and what you do. And by doing this, you're no longer spending hours and hours or weeks on end trying to understand a very complex machine that may not necessarily be relevant to the impact in which you're able to rank faster. So what you're wanting to look for here is to find an SEO coach or consultant who specializes in your industry. The next thing that you want to do is have them help you understand SEO through your industry lens. Then you want to easily move towards doing the proper research, keyword research, competitive analysis to better understand what it is that you're creating. Understanding the metrics that matter is the most important step when you're starting to build an SEO-based business. Finally, be sure to download our free guide, 3 Phases to Building Your Business Beyond the Feed, where we cover the exact steps that you need to take to be able to move off of social media marketing and start building a business off social media. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. We hope you enjoyed it. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit subscribe. Please post questions and relevant comments below, and we'll be sure to respond. Otherwise, we will see you in future episodes.